Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of solving previous year question papers from 2012 to 2019, and in this video I'm just pointing out the right answer and not explaining answers because all the concept of social casework I explained in my previous videos. So I thought of just to highlight the right answer. And if you're very first time to my channel, please go and watch my previous video for understanding all the concept of social casework. So the first question from 2012 UGC NET examination question paper. The best known expert of the problem solving model is, right answer is option B, Perlman. Second question, assertion. Social work as a problem solving profession can address social problem of the society. Reason, social work are equipped with broad based knowledge and appropriate skill. So the right answer is both A and R are correct, and R is the right explanation of A. Third question, social pathology means, right answer option A, study of origin, nature and cause of social ill is considered as social pathology. Family counseling is, right answer option C, micro social work practice. Next one, arrange the following in correct sequence. So now we can check. So first it will come referral, second one intake, then home visit, then diagnostic summary. So the right answer is option A. Next one, which one of the following is not a part of social casework process? So the right answer is option D, content analysis. Next one, which of the following is not a principle of casework? Right answer is option A, specific objectives. Next one, match the following list 1 with list 2. First one, home visit. Home visit is for holistic assessment. Second one, face sheet. It is for intake. And process record, tool of learning and teaching. And D, evaluative summary. It is for evaluation. So the right answer is option D. Next one, mental health team approach is essential for effective therapeutic process in, right answer is option C, child guidance centers. Next question is from 2013 UGC NET examination question paper. The problem solving approach emerged from the work of, right answer option C, H.H. Perlman. In the principle of right to self-determination, social worker recognize the right and need of clients to freedom in making their own choices and decision. So the right answer is option A. Individualization as both goal and process of social work practice was suggested by, right answer option D, Carol Mayer. Which among the following is not a component of client-caseworker relationship? Right answer option D, sympathy. Psychosocial theory was propagated by, right answer option C, Hamilton. Next question, 2013 UGC NET examination. Behavioral modification involves, right answer option D, application of learning principle to change behavior. Next question, acceptance is a principle of social work which implies, right answer option C, accepting the client as he or she is. Next one, match the following list 1 with list 2. First one, Jane Addams. Jane Addams is related to methods of social work. Second one, Johari window, that is option 4, known to others, unknown to self. And third one, H.H. Perlman. H.H. Perlman is related to problem solving model. And last one, Mary Richmond. So Mary Richmond is related with social diagnosis. So the right answer is option A. Next one, 2014 UGC NET examination. The theory that is based on rewards and punishment is, right answer is option B, operant conditioning. Next question, the method that brings adjustment in personal and social relationship is called, right answer option A, social casework. Next question, the task-centered social work has been developed by, right answer option A, Reid and Easton. One, evaluation of client's present problem the way he is experiencing is, right answer option C, dynamic diagnosis. One, which is the correct sequence in social casework? Right answer option A, intake, investigation, diagnosis and treatment. Next one, which are the techniques used in behavior modification? All the options are the techniques of behavior modification, that is impulsive therapy, assertive therapy, aversion therapy and symbol extinction. Next one, the person in citation was coined by, right answer option B, Florence Hollis. So I made a mistake by marking Mary Richmond, but you have to remember option B is the right answer. So moving on to 2016 UGC NET examination, theory of will was developed by, right answer option 3, Otto Rank. Next one, which among the following is not correct with regard to counseling? So the right answer is option 1. In counseling, no concrete help is provided, but only guidance is provided to solve his or her problem. All others are right answer. Counseling is a process. Counseling aim at enabling individual to solve present problem and to prepare them for future tasks. And fourth one, counselor assists the counselee to make interpretation of facts related to choice, plan or adjustment. Next one, the proper sequence of the step in the conduct phase of a Compton and Galloway's problem solving model is, right answer option 2. First one, problem identification, second one, goal identification, third one, contract and last step, exploration. Next one, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of code given below. So first, in the first list they gave characteristics and second list principle of social casework. So we need to match these characteristics with principles of social casework. First one, uniqueness. So uniqueness is actually the principle of individualization. Second one, subjectivity. So it is related to principle of purposeful expression of feelings. And third one, no prejudice. It is related to principle of acceptance. And last one, rationality, that is for non-judgmental attitude. So the right answer from the code, option number 1. So next one is also match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of code given below. So the list 1 is represent therapies and list 2 is pioneers. So first one, client-centered therapy, and pioneer of client-centered therapy is Carl Roger, and B, cognitive therapy, so it is Aaron Beck, and C, gestalt therapy is with Perlman, and last one, functional theory, Otto Rank. So the from the code, right answer is option number 3. So moving on to 2017 UGC NET examination, active listening concept was developed by, right answer option number 1, Carl Roger. So next question, functional approach in social casework was developed by, right answer option 1, Jesse Taft. So usually you can find in UGC NET examination used to ask functional approach in social casework. So the right answer is option 1, Jesse Taft. Next one, behavior modification involves, right answer option 4, application of learning principle to change behavior. And this question also asked, I think, twice in UGC NET examination question. So you have to give more importance to behavior modification while you are studying. Question is from UGC NET examination 2018. Evaluation of self based on reflection or social comparison is known as, right answer option 1, self-esteem. This one, the process of mutual influence between worker and client is known as, right answer option number 3, reflexiveness. Next one, which among the following is not a dimension of personality? And it is not from social casework question, but I forgot to add in our unit number 2. That's why I am explaining here. Right one, option 3, that is perception and discretion is not a dimension of personality. All other options are dimension of personality. Next one, client-worker relationship is essentially, right answer option 2, purposive relationship. One, Aaron Becker is related to, right answer option 2, cognitive therapy. Question, who made the following statement? Problems are unmet need. Right answer option D, H. Perlman. This question is from 2019. The stage which occur at the dividing line between childhood and adolescent and also represents the time when the criteria for sexual maturity appear is right answer option B, pubescent stage. Next one, which among the following is not credited to Mary Richmond? Right answer option C, letters to fellow workers. Next one, which one of the following is not a technique of casework? Right answer option D, lobbying. One, the interview guide will be used during interview by right answer option B, interviewer. And the last question, putting oneself in the shoe of another person and understanding his or her perceptual world is right answer empathy. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the content, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you so much.